Because sharp. Oganze,
what is it?
Please, I want to know if I can work for you.
Want to work for me? How?
Let me supply water for you. I know you always need water. I can go and fetch water for you and bring it, and you pay me money.
It's alright, no problem. You can start immediately.
But I am negotiating.
Are you ready?
Yes,
sir. You can start at once.
Okay, already. Why? Did not even talk price with him. Man, I can't be the good or can't impress.
So, Mom, has he left already?
Yes.
Oh, so how did he go then?
I have just confirmed my fears from David.
What exactly did he say?
Your brother doesn't even have a girlfriend. Not to talk of seeing anyone. That's according to David.
Mom, I mean, it just means only one thing. That my brother, your son, is a gay.
Do you think so?
Yes, of course, Mom. What other conclusion do you want me to arrive at? For someone of his status? I mean, somebody like Prince George does not have a girlfriend or is not seeing anyone at this point of his life. It is either he's gay or he's impotent. Either of the two.
May the gods forbid it. Not my son. My one son. My womb opener. He can never be a gay. He cannot be impotent. Where will he get it from?
Mom, that's not even my problem. The thing is, I don't even understand how Prince George actually escaped these girls. I mean, my brother is too cute. Such a tall, fine, handsome, young-looking man like Prince George does not have a girlfriend. I even envy the person he's going to end up with, you know?
I am a loafer. I am the one. No one to talk to.
Oganze, you take open another one. I fetched another one. I'm rushing it.
You're my dependent.
I got the fourth one now. I'll make sure I fill that tank so that man will pay me more. Be fast now, I no more.
Wait. Don't tell me you went to meetings there.
I took a job at the restaurant as water supplier.
From there.
Now, what would you rather have me do now? Eating is not a big problem for me. My charcoal business is not moving. Are you not the one I told I need me now job anywhere? Something to support this my charcoal business.
Dima, am I not taking good care of you?
So this is not about you. But
But I'm not complaining. I can't do anything for you.
I can't keep running to you every time. Can you let me just do this one.
I don't like this idea at all. And see, you will fetch this water now, you will break down just like the last time you broke down.
Nah, let me help you first.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Bring this, let me help you.
This is the question I've asked myself over and over again. My wife have asked about it. The people from the community, the village, they have asked about it. But, well, is it that he cannot see any beautiful girl around in this community? Come on. What's going on? I need to talk to the prince. Don't know. Josh, let me call him. Hello? Hello, Josh. Yeah, hello, yeah. I'm good. How are you doing? Yeah, but honestly, we need to talk right now. Are you at work? Are you in the office? Okay. I'll see you in a moment, please. I'm driving towards you. Okay? Yeah, no problem. Come on. No problem. Yeah, alright. I'll see you. Thank you.
I'm just doing this so I can further my education.
I am saving a lot for your education.
Will you kill yourself for me? You will do this for me. You will buy me paste. You will buy me food. You will do this, and you're saving for my education. What an embarrassing. It was a base.
Am I complaining? I am not complaining. I can do anything for you. I hope this is the last water you're going to fetch.
No, after this one is remaining one to make it full and fill the drum.
No.
So I can take my money.
No, you're not going anywhere again.
Why did you say that? Do you want to spoil my business for me?
Spoil which business? Let me even ask you. Did you discuss any price with Inza before fetching this water? What are you doing?
See, the truth is, we have not really talked price though. We wanted to talk price before customers started calling him. So, let me start fetching first. He will pay me now.
What kind of business is that one? No, tell me. You did not even go into agreement with somebody and you're fetching water already.
You will not understand. You know that I need this job. That's why I just want to start. I'm impressed to go there. You will pay me.
You're not going to fetch this water again. In fact, let me even ask you. Why would you leave your shop just to go and fetch water for somebody? What if customers had been coming to your shop to look for you and you're not there?
Oh dear, customers are looking for me. Chukuno say man water. You won't understand. The same shop I will stay from morning till night without one single person buying charcoal from me. Mama Nkechi Kana Hoka. She patronizes me. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, she stopped buying charcoal from me. Some days I will not sell for 3 good days. I will not see food to eat. You think it's easy for me? You think I'm happy about this job? I just want to breathe, Biko.
See, every day...
Now that I've gone to fetch water, all of a sudden, customers are there. And I rush, it's my rush. Oh dear.
Every day will not be so favorable. Some days are like that. Eh? See, let's not just make this conversation long. Let's go to the shop. And immediately we get there, we will settle the price and he will pay you. That's all.
But
that's
you have to take it easy.
I'm not taking anything easy, whether easy or not easy.
No, you can make me here.
I am an orphan. I am the one. I am an orphan.
So this is the reason you followed me to this place, to come and squander the money that they have not even paid.
See, let me tell you. Life is short, oh. Enjoy it while it lasts. Bigo, I can say, make it two glasses of palm wine. Maybe you drink now.
Maybe they should give me more if you have money to pay.
More cheaper.
Okanze.
Yes.
Okanze, I'm done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, payments.
Payments. How many did you fetch?
4 gallons.
4.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is 300. I thought you make it 100 naira per gallon.
You just started the work now, so enjoy this, eh? That is it. So, what do you need, my brother?
Okay,
2 bottles, alright. I will get 2 rice.
I hope you have money. I will not spend shishi from this money.
What? Dima, what of talk is this one now? Will you suffer till you die? Let's enjoy this money, Joe. Don't worry, another one will come. If they bring drink now, you drink.
What more can I ask for? If not love, I say please, I need someone to love. I just need a beautiful heart. Someone I will call my wife. Yeah. It's a beautiful thing. Onye mụ na ya ga-esochi obodo mụ. Onye mụ na ya na-abụ gachi obodo anyị o. Please let me be. I want to be with my love. Please let me be. I want to be with my friend.
I know. Out with it. Go ahead, say it.
No. Where are you coming from by this time? You started keeping late nights. Why?
Mom, I'm very sorry, okay? I should have called. But I was out with a friend.
Out with a friend?
Yes.
This friend that is making you keep late nights. She or he?
It's a she.
I knew it. She, huh?
Yeah.
Is she pretty?
She's very pretty, Mom.
Now whose daughter is she?
Well, she's the daughter of Justice Godson.
Justice Godson.
Yes. Her name is Alex.
You got a big one now.
What?
Come. Oh my. But why hanging out with her? Why don't you bring her to the palace?
Well, Mom, I really don't know her that well. I'm taking time to study her. I've met with her parents, though.
Then you've studied her enough. Bring her over. We need to see her.
Okay. Are you okay now?
I'm not okay.
This woman. I'm upstairs, okay?
I'm not okay.
Alright, later.
Alright, son.
Who has just one jackpot? Bring my shield.
Your Highness,
Yes.
our son Josh has just found the bride.
Lydia, right?
Oh no.
Who?
Daughter of Justice Godson. That's a big one.
Are you not sure what you say?
Of course I'm sure.
Really? So I can't wait. When they're coming to the palace.
Guess what? They are coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow? This is good news. We must prepare for that.
Of course, why not? I will.
Now the sun has gone to bed, so must I.
I know. Let me allow you. Good night. I am super excited. My joy cannot be contained. My son, Prince Josh, has just found himself a wife, and a very big one at that. I knew it will happen. Prince Josh has just made me a proud mother. The daughter of Justice Godson is just the perfect and the best wife for my son. Before now, I never knew that my son has eyes for big things. As a matter of fact, he chose wisely. My son's royal wedding will be loud. I feel good. Very, very loud. Very, very loud as far as I'm concerned. Princess.
Oh, mother, you're here.
Yes, darling.
Greetings, mother.
Greetings. Greetings there. How are you?
Very well.
Just coming from your room now and I noticed you were not there.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mom. I actually came out for some fresh air.
It has happened.
What has happened? Wait, Mom, don't tell me that's the reason why you're excited.
Of course. Why not?
Okay. My ears are itching. Go ahead. Spill.
Your brother Josh has found a wife for himself.
Oh, Mom! Are you serious? Oh, finally. I knew it. I knew my brother was going to get married to Vivian. Mom, I'm so happy.
Her name is Alice.
Alex? Who is she?
Daughter of Justice Gatson and Dr. Elizabeth.
No, Mom, you don't say.
I have said it already.
Wait, Mom, just hold on. You mean that my brother, your son, is going to get married to Justice Gatson, like the son?
Yes.
Mom, this is the best news I've heard in recent time. I'm so happy.
I'm super excited.
Oh, thank you, Mother. I guess she must be very beautiful. She must be a very beautiful girl.
Well, so he said. What, baby? Are you jealous your brother is getting married?
No, Mom, I just feel very bad, you know. It was supposed to be Bibian, if not that she messed up big time.
Well, in as much as I wanted my son to marry Onowu's daughter, but believe me, his happiness is of paramount importance. So shut it.
Yes, Mom, you're right. You're right. Happiness is all that matters.
Guess what?
What, Mom?
He's bringing her over to the palace later today.
Like, seriously? Mom, this shit, I'm so happy. Dad will be very excited. I can't wait. Can't wait to see
so
her.
happy.
So, it's a good thing that you're one step away from, entering into a new phase of your life. And it's just important that you did it on your own. We never brought the idea of picking a woman for you.
Yes, Father. I took a very bold step. I did not need to wait for you and Mom to remind me what I ought to do at this point in my life. I met her, and the thought of marriage instantly came into my mind. The love I have for her is unquenchable.
Alex. Do you love my son as much as my son loves you?
Yes, Your Highness.
I'm glad that it is based on pure love and not on social class. I'm comfortable with this.
Look at her eyes. I can see love written in the eyes. Look at it's written all over you people.
I need a blessing from God. 'Cause wife is a beautiful thing.
Alex is pregnant.
Are you being serious with me right now?
Yes, Mother, she's 2 months gone. Yes.
Please come. Come, my darling. You are so beautiful. Get up, please. She's pregnant. Move. Just move over. Sweetheart, it's close to me.
I want to be with my please let me be. I want to be with my Finanya. The man is a blessing to me.
I'm going to become
young a grandma. As young as I am. It's true though. I can't wait.
A funky grandma.
Omekania.
Oh, what? Everything new.
Yeah, soon we're going to have less for the property. So
Yeah, that's good. That's it. I can now sleep well.
All right, what do we do? Peaches and cream? Maybe.
Babe, what I dreamt of has happened.
And what could that be?
The prince is getting married to the daughter of Justice Godson, the magistrate.
What? Are you serious right now?
Yes.
Oh my God!
He brought her to the royal family. I heard she's even pregnant for the prince.
Oh my God! Wow! So, do you have a problem with that?
Ebube, why do you want asking me such rhetorical question? You and I knows that I love the prince so much and he's so dear to my heart. I want him all to myself.
Hey, you love the prince. So why am I just hearing it now?
Ebube will pretend that.
Eh?
Ebube, you are a pretender. Cut the pretense.
No.
You and I know that I've been saying it. I said it over and over again.
You love the prince. So what took you so long? Why did you not go and profess your undying love for the prince? And now he's about getting married. And the lady in question is pregnant for him.
Who said I did not? I did.
Oh, you did? So what happened?
I wish I never did. I wish I didn't tell him anything.
From your tone, it didn't go down well, I guess.
I don't know why. I don't know why men are wrapped up in their ego. I tried my best. I tried so much for the prince to look my way. At least to look at me. I even went as far as going to his room to see if I can get him pints down.
Eh? Chinekemo. Amaka. Wait. Make me understand, because I'm trying so hard to understand this, but I'm not getting anything. I am not getting anything here. The way you are you trying to tell me that you went to seduce the prince?
He chased me away.
Hey!
Laugh.
Chimo.
Laugh for all you care. And why did I even tell you? I wish I did not tell you anything.
You better not tell me anything. You will still call me back again.
I will not call you. Go away! Jealousy.
Eh? Did you just call me that?
Jealousy.
I'm jealous of you. You love the prince. And you want him all to yourself. In your widest dream. In your life. Mba, don't worry, oh. Don't worry. The prince will even get married to another 7 wives. She's your wonder.
Obviously, sweetheart. It's showing on your skin. I can see that.
Of course, I need to look good all the time. Lest I forget, I should be traveling to Dubai pretty soon.
Oh my God! That's such good news. You don't mean it. This is good news.
Thank you.
Oh, my girl is really touring around the globe. I'm so happy.
Have you forgotten
What?
that your baby girl still remains the most beautiful girl in Nigeria.
Oh, you can always say that. You can always say that.
Around the whole world. It's one of the benefits of winning the project.
Exactly. Say that.
Huh?
Well, by the time you be back from your trip, sweetheart, my brother will be getting married to his husband.
What?
Yes.
Wait, what did you just say?
Marriage. My brother is getting married to
Princess, are you freaking kidding me right now? You mean your brother wants to get married to the daughter of Justice Godson? And what because of me?
I don't get it, Vivian. Like, wait. What are you really up against? Like, what is the problem? Tell me. Did my brother at some point promise you marriage? Vivian, are you walking out on me? Vivian! What? Did I say anything wrong? I was... This game is just so dramatic. Why should I press?
So we can, sit and talk.
Are you normal? Of all the places to take me to, is this bush that you deemed fit to bring me so we can sit and talk? Sit. Okay, where are we going to sit? Eh? Talk to me now. What is it? You acting weird.
Okay.
Talk now.
Okay, Dima. I actually have something to tell you. The problem is that I don't even know where to start from.
Okay, start from that thing you want to tell me. Just where power could be uzubo.
Okay. Dima,
God forbid you. So this, see, you've lost all the respect I have for you. And after now, I don't want to see you anywhere close to me. So is this the kind of person you are? No, is this, okay, what did you bring me here for? You think I don't know your plan? You brought me here so you can sleep with me. You brought me here so, okay, look at where we are. If I start shouting now, if I scream, who will hear my voice? No, tell me who will hear my voice? You brought me here so... Don't ever try this process.
Dima.
Leave me alone. Allow me to breathe. Here you are. What do you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me? Eh?
Please calm down.
Please, respect yourself. You know I like you as a person, but you have really disappointed me today. Go back and never step your foot into this compound again. So if I'm not smart, you stylishly call on me more and something. Is that how you behave? No, is that how you behave?
No,
what? So, okay, what were you trying to do? Okay, don't you want sex?
No, that's not it.
What?
Dima, I meant no harm.
Why did you take me to the bush? What was your plan?
Dima, I just lacked the courage to...
See, one nature, you're very stupid. You're very, very mad. I lack the courage. See, please. Leave this house, please. Dima. Leave this house. Dima. I don't want to be violent. No, leave this house. Get you out to Wogo. You think I'm those girls that are very loose or that desperately wants a man every minute? I don't live that kind of a life. I'm a very responsible girl. Negodo, you are my person, no. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You took your bestie to the bush. Like, what is true then? I thought you were not scared. Come back now. Come and be telling me that nonsense. Because I'm not sagot. Then you go need just weekend.
My queen, where is the princess? Well, she drove to our designer's shop to check if our clothes are ready.
Oh,
and I hope yours is ready too.
Not really.
But very soon, she said.
Come on now, what are they waiting for?
You don't know.
Greetings, Mom. Oh, my angel.
Oh, yes. My princess. My wifey.
Welcome.
You look good.
You too.
Hey.
Are the clothes ready?
Oh, Mom. Yes. Mom, you just to have seen your blouse. It looks so amazing.
Wow. I'm not surprised. I trust Maka.
Oh, I know my brother and his bride-to-be will be the best.
Oh,
you can't say that again. So, what was the conversation? What was I missing?
Her clothes is not ready yet and I'm worried.
Why? Oh, don't worry, it will be ready soon.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, if they are not ready to meet you, please. Mom, you're capable.
Don't worry, no, she's capable. Yes.
Yay! Chinozo, what is wrong with you? Eh? Haven't I warned you never to step your foot into this compound? Haven't I warned you? Leave this place, please.
I can't stop coming close to you. Can't you see it?
Well, what do you want to do? You want to cry? You're not ready. When you're done acting this film, you will leave. If you like, cry a river. You can't find your way back to my life because I know you want to stylishly. You were going where you go back home. Man, walk because you disappointed me. Hey Megan, hey Megan, we've been friends. And how did you handle our friendship? Eh? No, answer me now. Your friend for so many years is the same person you took to the bush. Obron and is smart. It's only God that knows what your plan were that day.
I had no bad intentions.
Okay, so what did you take me there for? Eh?
I can't say it.
That is it, one name. You can't say it. Makanaro, abomination. If you had taken me to that place for something meaningful, something nice, something that will benefit our lives, you would have proudly said it to the world, to everybody that cares to listen. Without my consent. See, if the law can report that matter to you, because he have a serious case. It's because of the friendship we have, and it's because I like you as a person. Mama, what? Hey! What is that?
I might take my life, please.
What is it that you don't have? Is it knife to stab yourself? Or tapia to put inside water and drink? How is it my business if you take your life? You know the last time I wanted to use this on you, you luckily escaped. You see this time around, leave this house. Respect yourself quietly and go. I try to make you go also. Just go. Go! Useless boy. Want to kill your life. Before you go away. I want to kill my life. It's very hilarious. People that accuse themselves, we know how they do it. Either you write letter. Oh, I'm sorry, by the time you read it, I'm going to take heart in one wrong way. I guess I hold the thing I teach I chineke me. Hey! Be careful.
Hello, baby. I'm fine. No, I'm just coming out from the designer's place. Yes. Oh, she did wonderful. Honestly. I'm heading home with it. Yes. I mean, she is the best in town. Seriously. She is the best. Alright, my love. Definitely, I will. Okay, I'll call you when I get home. I know. Okay, baby. Bye.
Oh my God, Chimo, I depend on you. See me through in this wicked world. Chimo, you're my dependent.
Alice ought to be here right now.
Yes, honey. She called me moments ago that she's already on her way back.
Then what is keeping her?
I don't know. Let me just call her again. Honey, her phone is ringing, but she's not picking up.
What is going on?
Oh. Darling, I feel goosebumps all over me. I hope nothing has happened to my child. Is she the one calling you?
No.
Pick up and see who the person is.
Hello? Yes, Justice Godson. He was speaking. Who is this? What? How? What happened? How did it happen?
What is it? What happened?
Oh my God. Don't tell me that!
Honey, what happened? What is it? Who was it?
Alice is there.
What? Which Alice, my daughter? Honey, what? Honey. Hello? 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 Honey, what happened? Why now? Why?
I'm better off dead. I'm better off dead. It's better I die and join my parents.
Hey, stop, leave me alone. What are you trying to do? You want to kill yourself? No.
I said stop.
Stop. No. You want to kill yourself? Why? No, please, Dema. Remove this thing from your neck, please. Please. What are you trying to do?
Allow me, please. I don't have any reason to leave. Let me just die and join my parents. I'm tired. I'm tired of this miserable life I'm living.
No. The life is not miserable. Please. No. Take this thing off first. Please. Whatever it is not worth taking your life. Stop it now. What's the meaning of this? Dima, remove this thing from your neck. Dima.
I said stop. Okay, wait.
What is it?
One of my dying wish is to see you.
Huh?
Yes. And I'm glad I've seen you. I can't do this anymore, please. I am sorry for everything I've done to you, for treating you bad.
Am I complaining? You've not treated me bad. Am I complaining?
I no longer want to be a burden to anybody.
You're not a burden to me. Stop it. Dima, because, no. Remove this thing.
No.
Dima, remove this thing. You enjoy yourself with this stuff. Dima.
I'm excited. My son's wedding is coming up in a few weeks' time.
You say that again?
My brother is such a champion, Mom.
You see that?
Just see her mouth.
Solicito. All this one she has been fighting for her brother.
I'm telling you, this girl, she doesn't joke with her brother.
About the umpire, who are you inviting for?
Oh, I've listed some, but I kept it in your room.
Oh, in my own room?
Yes. The most important thing now is the caterer. You know we need buffet. Yes, Mom, I'm here.
Oh, I know.
Can you handle it?
Of
course.
Of course.
Super
I
nice.
know one of her friends that it's a dope chef.
Oh,
I can attest to that.
Now make sure she comes with a tent. We need a tent, at least 500 capacity.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, this side, yes. Which is about 1,500.
It's okay.
Yeah.
And I think I will bring a musician from Satoma and Principal because I like John's from Musical John from
I know.
Francophone Conference. That's
No, what's
Josh.
I think the sound is coming from.
That's Josh, folks.
Yes.
But what could make him scream like that?
I don't know, Father. But I need to go and check what is wrong with
Josh?
you. Son,
What's going on?
why did you scream like that?
Father, the worst has happened.
What? Hey, talk!
Alex. Alex is dead.
Ha! No? What do you mean by that?
Alex is dead.
Alex is dead. My daughter-in-law to be? How? Is that the same Alex? Shimo! Hey! Bro, how did it happen? Hey! Hey! Where's my unborn child? This is not happening. Hey! Mom, I'm not believing. What is this?
Seriously, this is not good, bro. This is not good at all, eh? How can the daughter of Justice Godson die just like that, eh?
I still can't believe, I still can't imagine that pretty lady, the wife-to-be to the prince, is dead.
Oh, that is so cruel.
I don't know.
She just left this palace a few hours ago. Did she actually live to go and die or something?
Wow. The way people are dying on a daily basis now, fear.
Something in me tells me her death is not ordinary. No, so many people are not happy she ended the chosen bride of the prince.
But wait though, why would someone want Auntie Alex out of the way?
Oh, I still can't believe it. That the prince fiancé I saw a few moments ago is dead in the mortuary.
It's not happening. Her wedding is just a few days from now. Eh? How would someone just want that lady dead? The question that's begging for an answer now is, who did this to Alex? Who did this to her? And I am sure the person that did it just to take her out of the way.
Now she's gone. They should go and have the prince onto themselves.
The prince just left the palace now to the mortuary to confirm her corpse with her father.
I can't just believe that I cannot see Auntie Alex anymore. I can't just believe.
Auntie Alex is gone.
Down 52 million barrels.
Sammy! Oh, Sammy!
What is it? Why are you crying? Did anybody die?
blame myself for this?
You blame yourself for what? Now you're getting me confused. Yes, sit. What are you talking about?
Alex is dead!
What? Alex?
She collided to an electric pole earlier today and she died on the spot.
Oh!
Her wedding to the prince was just in few days. Few days. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, exactly what the prophet said that made me leave her. Honey, do you remember I told you that someone said something about Alex?
Yes. I remember.
The prophet said she has a short life.
So someone prophesied about her death to you? And all you could do was walk away? Couldn't you have told her? She would have prayed about it and now she's dead. Are you happy now?
Listen. The prophet said that there is nothing anyone could do about it.
What privilege are you talking about? Are you trying to tell me that if you had told her about it or she has prayed about it, she would have still died? She wouldn't have been alive. She would have been here with us.
Sweetheart, I'm so
sorry. She didn't deserve to die like this. She was a good person. I caused it. It was all my fault. It was all my fault. It was all my fault.
I missed you.
I missed you too. So how are you?
You already know now, eh? Life of an orphan, poor orphan. It's not sweet.
You are always complaining. When will you ever stop to complain? Eh?
Chukunonso, you and I know that life has not been fair to me. Just look at my life. Eh? Or school, Kanje. I couldn't even further my education. My parents are no more.
Well, I understand. But you just have to keep believing.
My brother, there's no quote or motivational thoughts that will change the fact that I'm a poor orphan.
That's true. Well, life is what you make out of it. Happiness is a choice. You need to make yourself happy no matter what. Yes. I have something for you. Take. Take.
What for?
You know you've been talking about sitting down for an examination, so this is little I can get for now.
Chukunonso, you're too good to me. I'm overwhelmed. I'll forever be indebted to you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's okay.
Ah, God.
I'll continue to do anything just to make you happy.
Thank you.
It's okay.
How can I ever repay you for this benevolence?
Will this one be okay for the registration? Thank God. It's okay.
Thank
it's
you.
Okay.
You've been withdrawn for a whole year now. I think it's time for you to move on.
Please.
I wish it was that easy to move on, Mother. But Alice died with a significant part of me.
Son, Alice is dead. She's gone. All I want you to do is to move on.
Allow me, Mother, to mourn my loss for as long as I want.
But you have mourned her. You've mourned Alice for 1 solid year. That's fair enough. Just move on.
Stop it, Mother. Please.
Now why should I stop it?
Stop it, Mother.
Why? Well, I think you should consider taking Bibian as a wife.
I would never take Bibian as my wife.
Why? Bibian is pretty, smart, very intelligent. She will make a good wife.
I don't want Bibian.
All right. You do not want Bibian, that's fine. But at least you can consider taking another maiden from this kingdom. At least one from a reputable home. You can do that, sweetheart. You can, my love. Come on, sweetheart.
Mother, I do not want Bibian. I do not want any other maiden from this kingdom. I just want to be left alone.
Well, you were stubbornly adhering to your own opinion. Now what is all this? Well, Alex's death put an end to your own life. Now do you want to make this the end of your life? Why don't you consider me your mother? Please, come out of this. Please, sweetheart. Josh.
Oh my God, Chimo, I depend on you. See me through in this wicked world. Chimo, you're my dependent. I depend on you. I know that one day you'll wipe away my shames. I am an orphan. I have no one. I am an orphan. I have no one. No one to talk to. My parents are dead. I have no one.
See, I don't think you really understand what you want me to do. Just look at me. Eh? Poor Dimma like me. You want me to marry the crown prince of our kingdom. What would the royalty think of it? What would they make out of it?
Dimma, allow me bother my head about what my parents would make of this.
Mba, my prince, no. My prince, no. I know why I'm insisting. I don't want to enter royal trouble. I don't want your family to start looking for me or to call me for anything. I don't have anything to pay for fine. Biko.
I cannot leave you alone. Can't you get it? I love you and I want to be with you.
My prince, you can't love me. I have nothing to offer you, my prince.
Dimma, how can you open your mouth to say this? That you have nothing to offer me? Of course you have a lot to offer me. Are you saying this because you want me to go away?
It's not that. I don't have anything to offer you. I don't. My prince, for crying out loud, you are exposed. You are handsome, you are rich, you are influential, you have it all. Look at me now. Poor charcoal seller, no money, no parents, nothing. I'm not even educated. We are worlds apart, my prince. Biko, please. I can't do this. No.